This episode reveals how a self-made entrepreneur blends purposeful philanthropy with disciplined investing to grow wealth and impact. Each morning starts with 20 minutes of data review and a later 15-minute map for personal goals. A trusted mentor circle challenges assumptions, turning costly risks into calculated bets that align with long-term visions. Evenings are reserved for learning from diverse communities, translating lessons into smarter allocations and scalable social ventures. The takeaway is simple yet powerful. Wealth thrives when every decision serves people, purpose, and measurable progress today.